Marvelous.
Yeah, I agree to everybody, both have Nigeria senior and they have Nigeria junior.
Which is better, Buhari or Tinubu?
Better as in how? Better in so far what?
You be mumu.
Better in good governance.
Since Tinubu na pro-mass version of Buhari, Buhari regime na suffer raised to power 2. As Tinubu enter, now the suffer increase to suffer raised to power 4.
How possible we hear of this?
So Tinubu regime is suffer raised to power 4.
No, na suffer raised to power 72 now, it don't increase.
Jesus!
Wow.
Why the wow? Where they worry you? I be suffer they give you joy.
Will you keep quiet?
No, not really.
Our prayer for Nigeria na God, please take away this cup. Take this cup away, because na die with deal.
Sorry, you.
But you people were the one that voted Tinubu in.
She what?
Which people? No, which people? See, Tinubu na Jagaban, you don't need people vote to become president.
Photo.
That thing I Peter Obi no so.
Will you keep quiet?
When you say Milo Con, it is my turn. Nigeria still say the joke. You know, I don't say now. Tinubu never jokes. The one we pay me fast na Peter Obi when carry matter go Supreme Court. Common sense supposed tell us that Tinubu still get Supreme Court. So you know
What type of plane is this?
Apororo don kuku talk am. Baba go 8 years, Peter Obi go see the for court. When Peter Obi and the party they do, obedient, we need to give shishi. Now the parent Tinubu take by neck. And they shout, we need to give shishi. Tinubu just look like, you know they whine. We need to give shishi, Abi. I want to become president for Nigeria. You are most sick.
Continue.
I mean, then they tell us Baba was me now.
Not be juju be that.
Tinubu was like, you shock you, Abi. So you say you need to give shishi. I check up.
No.
This country, not till they shot me again.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you love that. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If you don't like this one, you're gonna like the next one. I promise. I beg. Just subscribe. One love.